Yo guys, you're welcome back to the winners forex trading. And before I continue, I got a message from my countryman here from Jos. He had an account of over $300, and as you can see, he said he has a lot of bills he need to settle, and he asked me to help him grow his account. You can see the account is an account of over $300. Okay, so he said he's getting the cheetah robots for the PC once I'm done trading. Okay, and I've already started managing his account. So for those of you that have a funded account, or you can deposit in your account, or you have an account you've already been trading and you're making losses, you can stop trading. Send me your login ID, your server and password, and I will manage your account for you and grow it to your expectation. Now this is his account. I'm already on a buy on crash 1000, and I'm supposed to take this account to over $1,000, which I'll do, and I'll show you guys in my next shots. Okay, so I'm already on a buy on crash 1000, and let's see how it's been going. Okay, like I said, if you have a funded account or you can fund your account, just send me a message and I'll help you manage your account, and every day I'll give you good profits, and you can settle your debt, see house rent, tuition fee, and all that. Okay, I'll help you achieve your goal through the forex market. I trade and I deliver. Okay, now I'm using each robot to trade. That's why you can see I'm making simultaneous profits that are very, very accurate and unique. You can see I'm on over 8 to 10 positions here, and the same profits. Okay, so the robot helps for accuracy. You can see I've already made over $90 for an account I just got, okay, just a few minutes ago. So you can get this robot. Okay, this one is one for mobile phone. It's $50 only, so you get it and to help you trade accurately. For those of you that don't want to do account management, you get a robot and trade by yourself and get accurate entries and make your money. Okay, if you're getting one for PC, like the one he's getting when I'm done trading, is just $100. Okay, so you can see the equity now is around $426, $21. I've had almost $90 plus. Okay, so like I said initially, if you have a funded account already, or you can fund, or even blow your account, and you need to start making money from the first market, of course they have already gone half, and anybody that choose to do the first market wants to make profit from it. So you can come to this channel. Okay, you're in the right place. Please, before you continue, just pause this video, go and subscribe to this channel so that we can keep growing together. And once you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell there, so that once I drop again, you'll be on the first time making money. Of course, I drop videos on weekly basis. Okay, and I have a very, very simple strategy for you guys. Okay, so like I said, if you're getting the robot to help you trade accurately, just like I've gotten over 12 positions running on $8 profit, okay, on just crash 1000, you can see I made over $92 from just one position, just one trade rather. Okay, that is because of the cheetah robot. It helps for accuracy. Okay, so like I said, if you're getting it to help you trade and make money, the one for mobile phone is only $50. This is the one I'm using now to trade. This is my phone. Okay, and the one for your PC, your laptop, is only $100. So you know what you're looking for, and you can get what you're looking for. Okay, and if you're coming for account management, okay, irrespective of account equity, is it $10, $50, $200, $1,000? Just deposit any amount you can. Okay, and then tell me your target and I'll help you achieve it. Okay, so if you're interested in any of these services, just save this number on the screen and text me on WhatsApp, and I'll tell you how to go about it. Okay, or you can check my description box, the first link there, click on it, take to my WhatsApp, send me a message. I'm always active. Okay, and I'll tell you how to go about it. Okay, you can see this is a managing account, and I'm already pushing it. Okay, so I trade every day, and I'll leave my question open my videos, so that if you have any challenge, you can discuss in the comment section so everyone can see. So if I do a good job for you, please testify in the comment section. And if you think maybe we'll do bad job here, you can also tell the public in the comment section. But check my comment section, you never see a negative comment there, which means you have been doing good jobs. Okay, don't forget to like this video, share it to your friends that trader, so that we can all make this money together. Okay, so of course that's the reason for this channel. So I share strategies, use it to trade and make money, and give me feedback. Okay, now I believe you are all subscribed to this channel, and let's push to the video I have for you guys today. Now, as you can see, if you open MT5, don't zoom out, don't zoom in, use the third zoom level. This zoom level you're seeing there. Okay, and your screen should always be between your F and this sign here. Now, this is a scalping strategy. Okay, like I told you guys, the 1 minute, any strategy you see on the 1 minute time frame is for scalping, where they'll tell you take 4 candlestick or 5 candlestick and exit before a spike comes. Okay, so this is a candlestick scalping strategy. You collect candlestick, you're not spike. Okay, so you scalp and you leave. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys what to check before you enter, how many candlestick to take before you exit. Okay, now if I'm the one trading this account, I might take over 20 to 30 candlestick from one entry because I have an intense knowledge of the price action. Okay, that was what I talked about the mentorship program, where I said I have courses that will enlighten you all on the candlestick pattern, your head and shoulder, and many other things about the forex market, so that once you get when your market trend, once you get a confirmation for the 1 minute time frame, you won't just rush to place your trade and keep all hope on that particular trade. You must make sure you check your higher time frame to know if this market is actually on a buy or sell trend. If not, any trade you're taking is a risky trade. Trust me on that. Now, very simple. This is crash 1000. Now, your entry point is only when you notice this your white line here touches this your down level here. You can see you enter, you scalp only 5 candlestick and exit. Remember, we're on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, the 1 minute time frame is only for scalping. You can see once you get this kind of confirmation here, make sure it touches it. You enter a scalp 5 candlestick. After this turn up here, scalp 5 candlestick and exit. Okay, you can see, sorry, scalp 5 candlestick and exit. Now this market was on a buy trend. That was why you can see this candlestick keep going up. Let's see, keep going up. Okay, because the market was on a buy trend. Now if you see that kind of entry, for instance, most of you just enter scalp 5 candlestick and exit. Maybe you can make maybe $1.50. Depends on the lot size you're entering. If I see this entry, I'll go to my 5 minute time frame and confirm if it's actually a buy trend. I'll go to my 50 minute time frame and confirm. I'll go to my 30 minute time frame and confirm. And if I notice that this is a long buy, I'll enter and I'll stay long. And while you take maybe 5 candlestick, I'll take maybe 30 candlestick. And if you're making $1.50, I'm making maybe $30. Okay, see how it works. That's why it's good to do account management through me. Sorry, you're certain of your profit. You're certain that I will give you your profit every day. Okay, so that's the difference between you trading by yourself. And let me tell you guys the secret. Now, there are 2 things that common traders lack. Now, first of all, the knowledge of the price action. Now, if you don't have knowledge of price action, all your trades will not be successful. If you're trading with just 1 minute time frame strategy, all your trades will not be successful. Secondly, if you're trading with 1 minute time frame strategy and don't have knowledge of the price action, okay, your market trend too, out of every 10 trades, let's assume you get 10 entries that day. Out of that 10 entries, all will not go right because you don't understand if that market is on a buy or sell trend. And let's assume out of the 10, 6 goes well and 4 goes wrong. The losses that comes from boom and crash is more compared to the profits. If you check, if you're getting profits, it's counting maybe $1, $1.50, $2. But if you're getting loss, it just comes at once and maybe cutting me $8, regardless of your loss size, because you don't know the amount of spike that is going to come, and you don't know if the spike will just come 1, 2, So it's good to stay less in the market. That's why it's good. Like me, if I come with strategy, I check my higher time frame, I check market trend is a buy. Only 2 entries, I'm done for the day. I might make me $60 from just 2 entries because I'll stay long. But as a 1 minute time frame trader that you are, and you have poor knowledge about the forex market and your market trend and your higher time frame, okay, you end up entering the market multiple times, maybe 8 or 10 times, and only 1 or 2 trades that goes wrong out of 8 times you've scalped maybe $1, $2, it will clear all your profit. It might even clear your loss. That's why account management is good in the hands of the right person. So I'm always open. So let's check for the boom markets. This is boom 1000. The spike just come. Okay, now as you all know, the boom is the opposite of the crash. It's just the same thing. Once you notice, okay, this your white lines above this level, you wait for a turn down from this your Ichimoku, collect only 5 candlestick and exit. Okay, like you can see here, entry was gotten here, collect 5 candlestick and exit. Just make sure your entries are gotten properly. You can see here 5 candlestick exit. You can see 5 candlestick. But someone like me would have taken more than 5 candlestick from these 2 positions. Okay, because I understand my market trend and I always check my trend before I take any trade. Okay, so just understand this video. You can watch it once, twice. Make sure you understand it, okay, before you go to the demo account to backtest it. Then if you have a foreign account and you choose to trade by yourself, maybe for your personal reasons, okay, and you want to use this strategy to try it out, there's no problem. You can try it out and give me feedback in the comment section. Okay, if you have any issue, you can ask me in the comment section. I've told you guys the zoom level, and then you have to place your account to get clear entries. Okay, now let me give you the settings. You just indicators here. Maybe you have your Chimoku 31152. The field is not ticked. Then my tanker sign is white. If your background is white, yours should be black. Click on that so that it can be visible. Next is your money flow index on your indicator window 1. 15 tick. Your levels are 20 and 80. Click on done. Then next is your stochastic oscillator, which is the last one. 16, 60, low, high, simple, 90 and 10. You can take a screenshot to be easy. If your settings are done properly, your chart will definitely look this way. Remember, I'm using a black background. So if you're using a white background, anywhere I see white, we change it to black so that it can be visible. Okay, so backtest it and start making money. And if you're interested in joining my free signal Telegram channel, here you get free signals on daily basis. Okay, the link is in my description box too. You click and you join and you get free signals on daily basis. Okay, it's a Telegram channel and it's very, very active. But if you're interested in getting the cheater robot, which will help you to trade and get accurate entries, okay, the issue with traders is that they don't want to spend money to get what is going to help them. They don't want to pay for knowledge, they don't want to pay for tools, they just want everything to be free strategy, free trading, everything free. You can never get anything good from free something. And check it, some of you have been traders for 3 years, 5 years, and you have not made any great money from the forex market. That's because you refuse to spend money to make money. Money is being used to get money. Okay, so that's how it works. So you need tools to help you to trade very well. That's why it's either you learn about the mentorship where you can become a professional on your own, you pay and get these courses, or you look for tools, you pay for good and unshared strategies. Okay, or you get this cheater robot. Cheater robots will help you to get accurate trade. Imagine you're using a cheater robot and you're getting entries every day, accurate entries. You're making a hell lot of money. You even make your deposits in less than 2 days. Okay, so you're not losing, you're winning. It's something that you've gotten. It's very, very operational. So the one for mobile phone is only $50, and the one for PC is only $100. Okay, and if you're coming for account management, if you have an account of $15, $20, $30, 50, 100, 200, 8,000, 2,000, or you can deposit, just do so. Tell me how much you're looking for. Maybe you want to pay rent, you want to pay bills, you want to do this and that, and I'll help you achieve that target. I'm a trader, I trade every day. Okay, if you can check all my videos I drop here, I'm always trading. Two of them in my free signal group and VIP signal group, they always see that I trade every day. Okay, so I'm active and I'm about to trade accounts. I'm keep pushing these accounts. Okay, that I can help the owner to pay his bills. Okay, so you can send me a message in this number on the screen, save and text me on WhatsApp, or click on that information box. You take to my WhatsApp, send me a message, and tell me what you're coming for, and I'll help and assist you. Okay, we're entering a new month, and if we can work together this new month, we should have a good money flow. Okay, so before you leave, you can subscribe to this channel so that we can all grow together. Once you subscribe, turn on that bell there so you'll get notified once we drop a new strategy. And of course, if you have any confusion, ask me in the comment section. And like this video, share it to your friends. Let's grow together. Thank you very much.